Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. What we discussed in last period, we discussed about uses of computer. Why we are using computer? Computer having different uses. It is used in different places. Where we are using computers? Yes, in mall, in school, in offices, right? In school we are using computer, right? And student also using computer for drawing also. Then how to draw in computer we will see in this chapter. We will see here. By using Paint, MS Paint, Microsoft Paint, by using Paint we can draw in computer. Means if you want to draw in computer, that time we can use MS Paint, right? What is it? MS Paint. The name of our chapter is MS Paint. Paint is a computer program. Paint is a computer program. Computer parts are divided into two types. Which are they? Hardware and software. Now, Paint is a what? Hardware or software? Good. Paint is a software. Paint is a computer program and it is used for drawing and painting with the help of computer mouse. We discussed in last period, right, parts of computer also. We learned about parts of computer also. Computers are having which parts? Yes, monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Means if you want to draw in a computer, that time which part is helpful for us? Mouse. Mouse is, by using mouse we can draw in Paint. It is often referred to MS Paint or Microsoft Paint. MS means what? Microsoft Paint. It is referred to as MS Paint or Microsoft Paint. Now step 2, Paint program. Means how to open Paint program. Means if you want to draw, that time which software, which program is useful? Paint. Paint is useful. Now how to open Paint? Everyone see here. Where is the cursor? First, how to open Paint? Firstly, click on the Start button. Where is the Start button? It is taskbar. Taskbar having Start button. It is the round button you can see here. See here only everyone. Where is my finger? See here. Click on the Start button. Then you can see here. Then all programs. Then accessories and then Paint. Now we will get the Paint window. Right? One more time we will see how to open the Paint. Click on the, yes, repeat with me. Click on the Start button. Then all program. So everyone, firstly click on the Start button. Then all program. Then accessories and then Paint. How to open the Paint? Click on the Start button, all program, accessories and Paint. Underline these words by using pencil. Start, all program, accessories and Paint. Now, once you have clicked on the Paint option, the following screen will be appear. Means when we click on this Paint option, then we will get this type of window, this type of screen, right? How will we get this type of screen? By using which step? Yes, Start, all program, accessories and then Paint. Now we will see parts of Paint components, or we can say, parts of Paint windows, or we can say component of the Paint. Everyone, you can see here, it is Paint window. Now we will see parts of this Paint window. It having five main parts. Which are they? Title bar, ribbon, quick access toolbar, drawing area and scroll bars. There are scroll bar also two. Which are they? Vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. We will give name. Where is the title bar? You can see here untitled paint, means it is showing the name of this paint screen. That's why it is called as a title bar. What is it? Title bar. Why it is called as a title bar? Because it displays the name of the paint screen. That's why it is called as a title bar. Title bar having three buttons. 1, 2, 3. You can see here 1, 2, 3. Title bar having this. In title bar there are three buttons. In together they are called with control buttons. These three are called as a control buttons. Now it is also, what is the name of this button? It is minimize button. Firstly we will see only name, afterwards we will see uses of these buttons. Minimize button. Next one is maximize button. And this cross is called as a close button. First, this you can see it is called as a title bar, and there are three buttons. Three buttons are called as a control buttons. In that, this first one is minimize button. See here, this symbol is called as a minimize button. Next one is maximize button, and last one is close button. Now next one parts of the paint screen is what? Paint window is what? Quick access toolbar. You can see here this line and this small triangle is called as a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. Now drawing area. We can draw here. This white page is called as a drawing area. It is drawing area, and there are two scroll bars. Which are there? Vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. This you can see here, it is called as a vertical scroll bar. And this downside is called as a horizontal scroll bar. First one, now we will read. Yes, read, say with me. Quick access toolbar. Good. Title bar. Minimize button. Maximize button. Close button. And these three buttons are called as a control buttons. Now this white page is called as a drawing area, and there are two scroll bars. Which are the vertical scroll bar? Yes everyone, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar. These are parts of paint windows. Got it? Now how to open the paint window? Click on the start button, all program, accessories and paint, and paint window having these parts which are there: title bar, ribbon we not wrote here, and this is ribbon. This full is called as a ribbon. Quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, drawing area, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar. Okay, in that now we will see about only title bar. What is the use of title bar? Why we are using title bar? This is the title bar. Untitled paint, it is title bar, right? Now what is the use of title bar? Title bar, first part of paint windows is title bar. The title bar displays the name of current file and the name of current program. What is the use of title bar? It's showing the name of current file and the name of current program, means where we are, what is the name of our page, it's showing title bar, right? And title bar having these three buttons, which are they? Minimize button, maximize button, close button, and here it's showing the name of this page. The title bar is the top of the paint window. Where is the title bar? It is on the top of the window, top of the paint window, and is a horizontal bar. It has a following: name of program, name of file and control box. What it having? Name of program, it's showing the name of program, name of file and control buttons. Now we will see what is the use of three buttons. What is the use of these three buttons? What is the use of title bar? Title bar showing the name of program, means if we give any name to that file after doing any work in that file, it's showing on title bar. Now what is the use of these three buttons? Minimize button, maximize button and close button. We will see this. These three called as the control box has a following button on it. Which are they? Minimize button, maximize button, close button. Now what is the use of minimize button? This button is used to make the paint window smaller and it appear on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Where is the taskbar? This blue line you can see, it is called as a taskbar. It is taskbar, right? And when we click the minimize button, when you click the minimize button, then what happen? This paint window will be minimized. Mini means what? Small. Here mini means what? Small. This paint window will be smaller and it appear on the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. We will see here. Right? These are the three buttons. First one is minimize. We are seeing use of this minimize button. When I press this button, then this window will be smaller and it will appear on the taskbar. Right? Now next one is maximize button. What is the use of maximize button? Maximize button. This button is used to maximize the paint window, which will make it cover the full screen. Means if you want to draw and if you want to see this in a full page, if you want this screen as a full screen, then when we press this button, what is the name of this button? Maximize button. When we press on the maximize button, then this window will be appear as a full screen. Got it? Use of minimize button and maximize button. When we press the minimize button, the window will be smaller. Minimize means smaller. And when we press the maximize button, the window will appear as a full screen. Means it will be increase the size of the window. Mini small, maxi means big. Minimize, maximize. Now last one button in the control box is, what is the name of this button? Close button, right? What is the name of this button? Close button. When I don't want this window, that time when we press on this button, then this window will be closed. If I press this button, then it will be closed. See here, this button is used to terminate. Terminate means what? Close. Close the Paint program. Means if you want to close the program, if you don't want this program, that time we can use the close button. Got it? About the title bar. Title bar display the name of program and it having the control buttons. Control box having 3 buttons. Which are they? Minimize button, maximize button, close button. Minimize if you want to do the screen smaller, that time we can use minimize button. Maximize, when we press on this button, then this window will appear as a full screen. Close button, if you don't want this window, that time we can use close button. Now next one, part of the paint window is ribbon. Where is the ribbon? This you can see as upper side, this spool is called as a, this you can see here, paint. This first one is the title bar. This downside you can see, this box is called as a, I will minimize here. This first one is title bar and this second one is ribbon. First one is title bar. Now this one is ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. Okay. Now what is the use of this ribbon? This we will read here. You will see ribbon. This ribbon is located at the top of paint window. Where it is? It is top of the paint window and it has various tools for performing different function. Some of the most important tools are color tool, shape tool and brushes tool. Ribbon tool having a different tools which are, and some of these important tools are color tool, shape tool and brushes. We will see here in paint window. You can see here paste, this cut, copy, select. These tools you can see here. These are the images, tools, shapes, color. If you want to give color, that time we can use color tool. Next one is shapes. It having shapes. If you want to draw different shapes, then that time we can use this shape. We will see here. You can see here different tools, different shapes. And next one is brush tool. We will see here afterwards how to draw. Got it? What is the use of ribbon? It having a different tools. It having different tools and most of the color tool, then shape tools and brush tool. Okay, these having a different uses of these tools. Now next one is quick access toolbar. What is the use of quick access toolbar? The quick access toolbar is a very useful feature located at the top of the Paint window and contain some of the most important buttons: save, undo, redo. What it having? Save, undo, redo. And where it is? The line and triangle you can see, it is a quick access toolbar. Means if you want to add here, this one is a save option, this one is undo, and this one is redo. If you want to add more option as a upper side, that time we can add. This is a new, means we can add here, you can see here. And if you don't want this new here, then we can remove from quick access toolbar also. What is the use of quick access toolbar? Quick. If you want to do as a quickly, that time we can add this small symbol upper side. Open option, this new option, means this Paint button having these option, but by using this Paint, instead of using this Paint option, directly we can open here, from here. Directly we can save from here. Why? Because of quick access toolbar. We will see here, if you want to take a new file, then we must have to go in a Paint, then new, right? But instead of going in that, if we press here directly, then we will get a new file. Okay, what is the use of quick access toolbar? And we can remove from here also. Suppose if you don't want this option here, then we can remove also. This option is not here. Why? Because we remove from quick access toolbar. If you don't want this open option here also, then also we can remove. Got it? If you don't want this save option also here, then also we can remove. You can see save option here. Suppose we want save option, then we can take. Got it? Use of quick access toolbar. Now we will draw here. Suppose we want circle. It is not a circle. Means in Paint it is called as a oval. What do you call here? Oval. You can see here downside oval. It is oval. It is, the shape is as a circle, but in computer, in Paint, we call this circle as a oval. And if you want to fill it, then it is, what is it? Fill with color. Then press here by using mouse. Mouse having three buttons, which are there? Left button, right button, and middle one is a scroller button. For every time we must have to click the left button only. Then move. How is this cursor is moving? When we move the mouse, this cursor is also moving. Then go here, and which color now we want? Suppose we want this red color, then take color. For taking color also, for everything we must have to use left button on the mouse. You can see, you can listen also this click and give here. Suppose we want here another color, then also we can give. Suppose we want yellow color to full page, then also we can give. Okay? And we can draw different shape. How to draw shapes? Firstly, go here, click the mouse, which button? Left button, then select the shape. Select by using left button also, left button only, shape, and continuously press the mouse left button. Continuously press and hold the mouse. Then you can see which shape we choose here, we can draw, and we can give different color here also. Okay, and we can draw different shapes. And where we draw this? where we draw these shapes? We draw these shapes in drawing area, right? Where we draw here? We draw here. That's why it is called as a drawing area. It is like our drawing book, blank drawing book. That's why it is called as a drawing area. And where it is? It having a two menus. Which are the home menu and view menu. Everything it is in a home menu only. And suppose we want to see this file next period also. Then how to see this file? We must have to save it. How to save? Click the paint button and save. Where we want to save this? On desktop. And we will give, which we can give any name. We will give here first. Here file name, in front of file name we can give any name. Okay? We will give here first and then save. You can see the changes. Before that it is showing in title bar untitled, right? And now I give here first. Then where it is showing? It shows here. First, you can see the changes. First, why it is showing here? Because title bar display the name of program. What title bar display? Title bar display the name of program, right? That's why it is showing in a title bar. Now next one is, if you want to take a new file, then how to take? Click on the paint button and click on the new. For everything we must have to click the mouse which button? Left button. Got it? How to take a new file also? Now we will see about drawing area. Drawing area. What is the use of drawing area? The drawing or work area is like a drawing sheet in paint window. One can draw and color using a different tool from the toolbox. Means if you want to draw, if you want to give color, if you want to draw any shape in the tool from the toolbar, then we can choose these toolbars. We can choose these all tools and we can draw. Now only we have see this. Again we will draw different shapes. We can draw any shape and we can give any color also. And we can draw different size also of this shape. You can see here, this is same shape, but we can draw as a in different size also. Okay, this is small, this is big, but we can draw. We can give color also. Okay, and how to save it? Click on the paint button and save. We will give your name, second file and save. Then it is showing second as a file name. That's why it is called as a title bar. Now what is the homework for you? You must have to read the lesson and underline the hard words. Thank you.